Welcome to my channel. Another tutorials. Choosing open command from under the file menu. Image. Photoshop install. Once you click open, use File Explorer on Windows PC or Finder on Mac to navigate to the location on your computer when your image is stored. Then double click on it to open it. Navigating to and selecting an image to open in Photoshop image. Photoshop navigating to selecting an image. The image will open in Photoshop ready editing just as it would we had used to the screen. The image opens Photoshop image. Thanks so much for watching. I will become my next video. Goodbye. Take care.